All right, so we're going to review the test. There was two that we did not do, the ones I wanted you to kind of look up on the vocab, so that was 2 and 8. However, there are some discrepancies with 15 and 20, so let's see what those errors are, and then hopefully be careful not to make those again. So with 15, we are looking at an error here. So it says that we answered 0.6365 and the correct answer is 0.3635. So it looks like the numbers are there, maybe made some error. So let's look at this again and see what happened. So we are doing a normal calculator, mean of 65, and the standard deviation was 15 divided by square root SQRT of the sample size, which is 14. So we had two parts. One, we wanted less than 69.3. So if I do less than 69.3, just confirming we get that right number. So we got 8583, which is good. And then we want to do greater than 66.4. So we're going to change this to greater than 66.4. And yes, we get 3635. So I'm not really sure what happened. We have to go back and look at the video, but that's something that we can do. So just have to look at the video, or maybe we typed in something wrong. Okay, the other one that we're having a little issue with is 20, and it is all of the confidence intervals. So T distribution, did we not use the right one? We must have done everything backwards. T distribution, X bar, S, and square root of N. Let's look at the textbook, so we'll just confirm it. That normal should be sigma S over square root of N X minus mu. Yeah, so it should be S divided by square root of N to get our standard deviation. Yeah, okay, so that's what I thought we did. So we wanted to do a confidence interval, mean, standard deviation. Oh, used the wrong distribution, that's what it was. So sorry, I went to normal. We should be using T distribution. Okay, so sorry about that. Sample mean is 17.8. That's why that's wrong. Sample standard deviation 4.4. And then the sample size is 34. Okay, so if we do all of that and we tell it confidence interval, the first one was 95%, we then get 16, 26, and 1934. 16, 26, 1934. So that matches up now. And then if we go options and we edit and we change the sample size to 61, we get 16, 6, 7, and 1893. And that's those two. Yeah. So using the wrong distribution is what caused those errors. And then if you do 99% confidence, edit, change the level of confidence to 99 with the sample size of 34. We get 1574 and 1987. 74, 1987. I got 86. So 8, 86. Oh, it's a 2, yeah. So 86, yeah. So that would be good. Okay, yeah. So the margin of error were wrong there. If the sample size is 16, what conditions must be met? So it says the sample data must come from a population. Oh, duh. Okay, so if the sample size is 16, in order to do normal, because they're telling me the sample size is not big enough, it must be normally distributed with no outliers. I picked B, the sample size must be large enough, which they're already telling me that it's not, so just a misinterpretation there. So all of these we can do, so just be careful. With that, I think we should be good on the review, so good luck. Let me know if you have questions.